This is the PPC Plastic Plane Company British Airways Concorde in 1/250 scale. This model comes as a snap-fit kit that you can put together easily with no glue required. As you can see, the wings first are put together like so. Now once you have the wings together, you place them into the body of the Concorde. And as you can see, they just pop right in, and there you have Concorde. As you can see, the tail is already attached on this particular model, and there is no landing gear either. As you can see, there is the British Airways logo and livery, and the registration of GBOAC. As you can also see, it comes with its own stand, and on the stand it says British Airways Concorde. I've now put the stands together, which just slides in like so, and then the model slides on to the stand. And there you have it, the British Airways Concorde. This model has a wingspan of 10.2 centimeters and is about 24.8 centimeters long. Available now from modelcorner.co.uk.